Welcome back. If you're new, my name is Nicole and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a little back to school look. It's very easy. I say this about all my looks, but this one I really mean it. I use minimal product, and if you like to wear makeup or you don't, whatever, like this is very easy and very quick. So if you want to know how to achieve this nice, quick and easy back to school look, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with some sunscreen. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend this out. There are some people who are okay with just, putting on some eyebrows and being out the door. I am not one of those people. I used to be honest, I used to put makeup on for my 9 a.m. class, okay? Actually, no, for my 8 a.m. classes. But I'm a fashion student, so everybody be, nice, up and ready. So I'm gonna take this eye gel. This is more like a skincare thing. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes so it's nice and hydrated. While that's sitting, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal concealer. This is Infallible Full Wear in the color 365. Now we're going to take this Airspun powder. This is just to set that concealer. Now I'm gonna use the same palette that I use for bronzer, and I love doing this because you're using a 2-in-1 thing. So I'm gonna go into this Sculpt shade with a big fluffy brush, and I am just going to apply that in my crease. Alright, and believe it or not, you are done with your eyes. You're done. Okay, now we're going straight into the face. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It's a great dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I like this primer. It's just, one, it's not expensive. Two, it gets the job done. And my skin feels like dewy, but not like nasty dewy. All right, number one thing. If it was a hot girl summer for you and you wasn't out here wearing makeup and you was just all in the pool, you're not the same color. So don't try to use the same color that you was using in May for now. So make sure you go to that drugstore, the Sephora, whatever, and get yourself your shade, because you don't want to look like a ghost when you go back to school. Okay, so I'm going back with this concealer, the concealer I use for my eyes. Under my eyes, 3 dots on my forehead. We're gonna use the same brush we used earlier, this one. I use this brush right away and just brush it off. I'm gonna go back to this contour palette. I'm gonna use this tapered brush, putting it into these 2 colors here. I'm gonna use this butter bronzer. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush. Now we're gonna use this tapered brush again, putting into the bronzer, and we're just gonna put it on the side of our nose just a little bit. I don't really do this too much, but now I'm gonna spritz my face with this rose water. and we're going to apply some highlight. This is the Wet n Wild highlight, using my favorite highlight brush. So I'm using my Milani Luminoso. So I'm using my primer. So now I'm applying my mascara. The last three products are brown mascara that I use for my under lashes, some lip gloss. This is the Fussy one. So one of the most important things about going back to school that you definitely need is a good setting spray. You need to make sure your makeup is intact, okay? So this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this. I use this sponge and I just press everything in my skin. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very quick and easy and perfect for back to school. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.